Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green pepper seedlings. To begin, start your green pepper seeds indoors about 8 to 10 weeks before your region's last expected frost. Use a high-quality, sterile seed starting, mix in trays or small pots. Plant each seed approximately 1/4 inch deep. It's crucial to keep the soil consistently moist and maintain a warm soil temperature, ideally between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, for successful germination. Once your green pepper seedlings have developed 2 distinct sets of true leaves, it's time for their first transplant. Carefully move them into slightly larger individual pots, handling them gently by their leaves rather than their delicate stems. When repotting, bury the stem up to the first set of leaves. This encourages the development of a stronger, more robust root system. Continue to provide plenty of light and consistent moisture to support their continued growth. Before moving your pepper plants outdoors permanently, you must harden them off. This process involves gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over a period of 7 to 10 days, helping them adapt. Simultaneously, prepare your outdoor planting site. Choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Amend your garden soil with plenty of organic compost to improve drainage and enrich its nutrient content, aiming for a soil pH between 6.0 and 6.8. Finally, it's time to plant your hardened-off green pepper seedlings into your garden. Space them about 18 to 24 inches apart within rows, with rows themselves 3 feet apart. Dig a hole slightly larger than the seedling's root ball, gently place the plant, and backfill with soil. Water thoroughly immediately after planting. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch around the base to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Ensure consistent watering, especially during dry spells, and fertilize as needed for a bountiful harvest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.